All right, so you have employees clocking in and out. That's great. Follow me in this quick tutorial to find out where you can access those time cards and how you can make and manage edits. So log in as an admin or a manager of your account, and at the very top, you're going to click the icon time cards. Inside here is where you're going to see all of the clock in and outs that have happened for the day. So right here, we can see that we have 2 employees who have clocked in and out. It looks like Ferris has messed up his punch-in time. I want to correct that. To do this, I can click on this time entry. In here, I have an adjusting day for Ferris Bueller. So what I want to do is change the in time. I can simply back this information out. A drop-down will be present, but you can type in anytime you need. Let's say they got here at 6 a.m. Perfect. And that is how we can adjust a time record. If an employee completely missed a day and you're looking to add an entry, you're going to navigate back to the top, and then over on your right-hand side, you're going to see orange buttons. Inside here, you want to click Add Day. Here, you can control the date that the employee missed and select the employee's name. If you want to add punch times, you can click Add Punch. This is going to allow you to put in an in and out time. If you're looking to just add straight hours, come to your overrides, and in regular, type the amount of hours that were worked. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit Save. And now, your time card entry has been created.